Hello everyone! Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Nagbabalik na naman ang PR Reacts Weekly. Well, dapat weekly to. Si Gloco kasi si Gloco.
Siguro ko siya. Tama.
Podcast ng podcast.
Tama.
Well, okay lang.
Tama.
Hindi naman na ang podcast. Ayos lang naman yun.
Tama.
Kailangan May lamok! Kailangan maging weekly na rin ng PR Reacts. At ngayon ay 4 na kami. Hindi ko alam kung ilan kami last time.
Tatlo lang tayo last time.
Tatlo lang tayo last time.
Yes. Sana next episode, 5 na tayo.
Yung dami nun. Makikita nyo, asa iba't ibang lugar kami. Si Chris and si Ken ay asa isang bahay.
Isang bahay.
Magkatabi na sila. Magkatabi na sila. Double set up.
Ang ina.
At kami ni Jan ay asa Hawaii.
Sa Hawaii.
Pre. Puta ito ba yung suot mo?
Yeah, ganyan
Puta yung
suot niya.
gago. Hindi ko alam.
Last time ganyan sinuot ko eh. Last episode.
So, tara, simulan na agad natin. Marami-rami to.
Mula na natin.
Let's do this.
Una,
Anong...
The goat.
the goat.
The goat.
Oh my God! Yo! Bro! Sabi ko na nga ba, si Chris ang tatawa. Kita nyo? It's Chris memes, man. It's Chris memes.
Why?
Oh.
Why?
I was gonna say na finally, meron na tayong ano dito. Meron na tayong just memes.
Yes, meme. Pero
Never mind.
not that kind of meme. So, Iwan.
Never mind. So yan na, tayo ng panimula yan. Baba mo na yun.
Baba mo na. Baba mo na.
Ito, Mr. Chief!
Mr. Chief?
Mr. Chief.
Mr. Chief! Puta, Mr. Chief nga. Damn.
Ano yan?
What's going on?
What is happening?
What's going on?
Oh, putang inang.
What?
Oh
I
my
don't get it.
fucking god.
He need to make the non extra salty. Ayun no.
Oh my
Ah,
fucking
okay.
god.
Oh, okay. I get it now. Sarap. Sarap. Gets ko na, idol eh.
Puta matapos maligo sa ano, tapos
Oh!
Extra flavor.
sarap ng pita, putang ina, sa
Kakainin.
Sarapi. Eh, may kick yan. For sure, may kick.
Oh!
Oh!
Good shit, good shit.
Secret ingredients, man.
Good shit daw.
It's Chris na naman.
Please play this game,
Alam
please.
mo na.
Sige nga.
Editor, alam mo na.
Alam mo na, Chris ah. Ay, I'm editor.
Oh shit, yeah, I know this. I have played this game. This is the mod for this is a mod for Attila Total War. It's
God.
it's AD 400, 1400.
Of course, Chris knows, bro.
Of course, Chris.
I already played
course.
this.
Of
Yeah.
course, Chris. Tik na yan, no?
What,
That was it?
there's nothing wrong with it.
Chris
Yeah,
Chris, man. Chris.
yeah, I've already played it. Yeah, maybe I will. Maybe I will play it again.
Next.
AI is the future.
Ay,
Sige nga.
the future. The fuck, ba't
Ano yan?
nag-reload?
Ano yan? I-convert to anime or something.
Whoa!
Ay, Nel, ginagawa mo, Nel! Nel! Nel!
Bro! What the fuck?
Grabe ka na, idol! For Gloco.
Or Gloco. Wala si Gloco, idols.
It makes sense, you know? He really loves elves. What the
What
fuck is
the-
that sa top?
What
Yo!
the
Anong
Fucking
anime yan?
tap nga! Ano nga, sinihan na? Ay, gagawin yung ano?
Okay,
yung magkapatid.
Pakalagay sa comments, sauce findings tayo.
Oh
God.
shit, I think, yep. I
Ay,
think,
yan
yeah.
yung dalawa, yung...
Same, it's the same anime.
Yes,
Yan
the
yung
same
ano.
anime.
Why do they look like they're enjoying it? It's probably... Guys, send nila lang yung code. Comment section.
6 codes.
Next one. Salamin facts.
It's impossible for you to own a mirror that has never been used before. Because the second that mirror was created,
Gamat ganun yung reaction
somebody
natin.
saw their reflection to test if it was working. Isn't it concerning?
It's not brand new, bro.
Ha?
Kasi pag ginawa yung salamin, may kita yung gumagawa, nakita nila yung sarili nila. So, meaning hindi na
Taka
brand
dyan
new.
mamaya. Taka dyan mamaya, John. Alam mo na.
What the fuck?
Ikaw, baba mo na yan, bro. Tang ng
I mean, it's true, man. It's true.
It's true, pero yung reaction yung kasama ni...
like he's dead inside.
Please
in
link the
regards
video.
sa Pinoy shorts clips, please link the video where the shorts came from and it'd be easier to rewatch it or find it.
Oh, sure, sure,
Oh,
sure.
shit.
Sindi lang may gawa ng
No
mga
problem,
ganyan.
no
Yun
problem.
pala, see?
Baba na, baba.
Kailangan pang
Ilagay sa ano.
Kinama ka din.
I will do. I
Wala kang
will.
ano, wala kang initiative. Bayan.
I will.
Baba, baba.
Okay, baba,
Para
baba.
kay-
Ano naman ang para sa akin?
Bakit lagi sa'yo?
Para
Wala
kay
kami.
Chris Boy.
Hungry when he being a werehab. What the fuck?
No.
These frogs.
Next
These
meme.
frogs zira.
I will beat the allegations that that I'm not a what. Okay?
I have no clue.
I
Sige,
have no
sige, next,
clue,
next.
yes.
Baba mo, next.
one.
Oy!
Oh, that's nice.
Anart.
I tried. No, you do. You do the do.
You do the do, bro. Thank
Okay,
you.
so, ano, na-stretch ko na yung leeg ko. Galing. Galing na to.
Magaling, magaling. Nakatingin ako pa ganun eh.
Doko?
Loko. I've
Oh,
seen
shit.
this picture. I've seen this shit.
Nakita ko na tayo.
Meron na siyang Gloco Multiverse.
May marami ng multiverse si Gian eh.
Meron mo siyang shinare recently, di ba? Yung
Rapper.
gamo-gamo.
Pati yung rapper sa ano, sa flip top.
Next one.
Next one. Bro, keep his act until the end. Sige nga.
He told me that I was ugly and fat and that I was a bitch.
Who would do such stupidity?
Don't know.
What's his name? What's his name?
I don't know his name.
Oh my!
that your real hair?
I didn't have.
Who just said that?
What?
Who just said that?
Oh.
Kainis eh.
I've seen a clip of this, guys.
Nakita
Parang
ko na to.
nag-aagreean sila.
Nakita ko na, sorry, guminasay. Nakita ko sa FB.
Parang this is, parang, alam mo yun, like, this is how women talk. You know? Kasi parang hinaluan niya na, what would a guy respond to such,
Oh,
Yes, sir.
okay.
Ah,
Kasi parang may napanood kasi ako about women, you know, like when pag nag-uusap sila, it's all about agreeing what the other one is sharing, alam mo yun. Pag lalaki kasi parang ikina-counter nila. So yun daw yung mali, okay? Pag nag-share siya yung babae, you just gotta agree what she's talking about.
Oh.
Kasi when you don't, you're fucked, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Tapos
think
pag
I-
nakatalikod na, yun na.
Kakain
iba
yung
na.
tampuhan, gag.
Yeah. I think first-hand experience nila.
Yes. Uy, ayan na, Ken, meron ka na ya.
meron na
First
pala
time ko
ako.
na
Meron
narinig,
ka na.
bakit? Tropa kong may pagkain, gusto mo ngiti ka muna, labas ngipin. Ako na
Ako,
uto-uto.
Putang ina.
Yan ba ang gusto mo,
Why are you
Ken?
laughing like that, bro?
Ano, bro?
Yan ba ang gusto mo?
Ibang, parang iba yung gusto eh.
Yeah, pag gusto mo, Ken.
Ang inang yan. Paglupo.
Oh my
What
God.
the fuck?
What the fuck was that?
Grabe yun, no?
That's unnecessary long.
What the fuck is he fishing for,
Oh.
man? A fucking whale?
Yeah,
Yeah.
fishing for Megalodon, man.
Paglong.
When the war in China starts, you have to shoot the short the girls with glasses.
Eh, bro. Kailangan ni Gian.
Yun ba yung bear, di ba? Yung parang bear na, yun ba yun?
What?
Alam mo yung meme na yun?
Yung bear na
Was it
pig na, ano?
Chinese? Yun ba yun?
Tas yung, sugatan na,
No, that's a beaver, right?
Sa beaver?
Di ko
No.
sabi.
Like, yung yung
Yung
naka-glasses.
yung kulay pink, oh.
Eh, yung kulay pink nga, na naka-glasses.
Yung mayor ng Tarlac.
Yung mayor ng Bambantarlac.
Di ko alam yan. Cleaners, ayan. POV, cleaners group nyo.
Cleaners group nyo.
Ako na
Class president
palabas ng
namin.
gate. That's me right there, bro.
Wala kayo dyan.
That's me right there.
That's me right there.
Hindi mo. Bala kayo maglinis
Tangina,
dyan.
sarili ko ang bahay, di ko nililinis. Maglilinis pa ako ng room. Tangina niya.
Puta,
May ibang
minsan nga
POV
harangan
dito
kami. Harangan
Parang
ako.
sa ano.
Harangan ako sa pinto. Sabi ko, sige
Oy,
lang,
cleaners
tas
ka.
kunyari, iyon ko yung bag ko sa upuan, tapos magwawalis-walis ako, tapos pag wala na nakaharang, I'm like, zoom!
Zoom.
Oh, next
Pinoy
one.
test versus Pinoy reacts. Ano yan?
Oh, ayan na tayo, dito na tayo. Pinoy's Podcast, Pinoy's Tales. Pinoy's Place. Sige na mo,
What the fuck? Yung hawk.
Pinatay na ng Pinoy Tales ang Pinoy Tales.
Nagsalamat.
What the fuck?
Naglalaban.
Naglalaban. What the fuck? Gumagawa sila ng beat.
Guys, may susunod pa mga Pinoy's.
Meron pa guys, susunod.
Venus Travels. Next one, init kasi kaya naghubad ng shorts.
Nagtitikol to.
Ay, iba nga ginagawa niyan, idol. Ibang init yan, idol.
In-hit, pre. In-hit.
In-hit.
In-hit, tol.
I
In-hit.
really like this ocean memes. It never disappoints.
Ito nga eh. Ito nga yung
pag ganyan
ano
ba,
talaga,
Matic?
yung Robert, buisit eh. Baka natapakan.
Nakatulog ka sa tropa, tapos natakpan mo, lolo niyang tulog.
Natapakan mo. Natapakan mo.
Ano natapakan?
ina mo! Putang ina mo! Gago! Matagal na ako dito.
Matagal na ako dito. What the fuck?
Oh, Jesus. Fuck.
Oh my God. Oh my fucking God.
What the fuck?
Siguro,
Hindi talaga
na-react niyo ba to last time?
No.
Hindi. Hindi ko
Because I
nakita to last
swear
time.
to fucking God, araw-araw pinipester ni Gloco para mag-gym. Tapos pag nandun kami sa gym, just doing his legs. Sabi ko, what the fuck? You did your legs last time. What you keep doing your fucking legs? No wonder, bro.
His knees. Pag nanonood nga siya doon, nanonood siya ng yoga pang paa.
He gonna sell his feet, man.
Skipping
Bro.
leg day.
Bro is cooking, bro.
Bro is cooking his
Cooking
leg, bro.
legs.
Ito, sunod. Bye, bye,
Vanilla.
Vanilla.
Vanilla pala ata, idol.
Uy, siya.
I miss this clip, bro. Yung mo yung clip na to.
It's vanilla. Oh shit.
We're doing a Spider-Man game, bro.
Magdikit nga kayong dalawa. Magdikit nga
Diba pag nagtabi kami?
Pare ito, Luis. Tama tayo ba?
Bisaya, brother, bro.
Bisa brother, para another mother.
Ibahawi, bro. Yeah, bro. I miss this types of shit.
Yeah,
Ito yung
man.
ito yung
Yes,
ESGS eh.
Yes, yes.
to, yeah. Damn, bro.
Damn, man.
Puta ka kasi yung huling ESGS dun sa World Trade. Puta, it was so boring as
Wala
shit.
na. Saka feeling ko last na ata yun.
Puta, I can't find an old video of Chris, so he's not in here. What?
What?
Oh shit. Kasi gina. Oh my God.
Sinil?
You know what? Fuck? Before tumulo yung kwarto ko, I watched this shit legit. Binanood ko yung podcast natin.
What the fuck?
Yeah, binanood ko yung podcast
Sino ba
natin.
to?
Nag-react tayo ng old videos legit. It was so funny, bro.
Ayos lang po.
Yo, they was funny. Was like, yung yung flop click something.
Sino to?
Sino to?
That's Neil,
Ah,
bro.
si-
Hindi ako yan!
That's me,
What
bro.
the fuck is this? Oh, ay.
Ano ba yan?
Ano
Jack and Sword. Oh my God!
Jack is so.
Oh!
Oh shit!
Holy shit! Ninja Kids Wars.
Hanap pa nila yung akin,
Ninja Kids
gago.
Wars, Red.
Ito may continue.
Wala, di nila nakita yung akin. Meron ako actually, pero wala pa nakakahanap.
Hanapin nyo! Hanapin nyo yung kay Kenneth, yung kay Chris!
Ito, Ninja Kids Wars. Yeah, Ninja Kids Wars, oh. Yan. Pakita yung Ninja Kids Wars. It's bad fuck.
Oh, shit!
This is him now. You feel old. You cringy as shit, bro. You cringy as hell. Tara, Ninja Kids Wars. Ulit, PR edition. Sinil naman kalaban mo.
I think kaya na naman natin magawa ng parang effects na parang teleport.
Kaya na natin yun, gag.
Kaya na yan.
Trinil.
Trinil.
Papanood to.
Bago?
And horror. Ayoko na to. Ayoko panoorin ng sarili ko.
Sorry, muna natin. Si Chris, kay Chris naman.
You should watch for this. Make reacts.
Nakita ko na yung kamay.
For Chris. Sige na,
Kamay agad eh.
ano mo na.
May kamay agad eh. Ba't ganyan yung preview, idol?
Germany.
No.
No.
Talaga tayo, ano ba?
No!
Tanong siya na, where are you from? Germany. Puta. Kinawi talaga, no?
Mga Pinoy talaga, one of the strongest race eh.
Loco as
Gago.
teacher be like.
Atin ka
kagagas
pala
ito.
Oh shit, angas na to!
Pinagkita kayo ng teacher nyo
wait
dahil
lang,
ang
ha?
ingay nyo. Sige.
Hikaru Nero. Damihan mo pa yung ganito. Oh, sa
Tama,
mga
tama. Ang
gusto
galing,
namin
galing.
mga ganito. Okay, gusto namin mga ganito. Okay.
I like
Di ko pa na gusto ko agad to. Okay.
Kate, alam mo na agad mo ano eh. Boss
Yung
pa rin
pinagilitan kayo ng teacher nyo dahil ang iingay nyo.
Fucking door is open. Get the fuck up. Let's go.
Ang ngiti lang natin.
Relatable, gago. Door is open. Get the fuck up, bro. Let's go.
That is nice. Next one.
Next one.
Grew up
Oh my
too
God.
fast, man. Then you're about to fake your age when creating.
Oh.
No, man.
Oh shit, I remember creating a Yahoo email.
Oh, man.
Oh
Fuck,
shit.
man.
Damn, bro.
Ako na realization bro.
Naalala ko na ban yung Upwork or Odesk account ko kasi below 18 na ako nung nag-apply ako.
Damn bro.
Tangina kasi mga Pinoy eh. Pinex ko lang naman doon na kumita ako $3K habang 17 years old ako. Puta ina nila. Nireport nila ang account ko. Mga ingitero. Mga puta na naalala ko. Pinoy nga pala tayo. Nag-iilantay pababa.
Kailangan pa
Oh,
ba?
legit. Kinabukasan ng post ko. Gusto ko lang sana mag-inspire. You know, like, oh shit. May ano dito. May kita dito.
May something dito.
Kinabukasan na ano na yung account ko. Your account has been reported for being underage. Sabi ko, what the fuck,
Mahirap
yup?
ano? Mahirap mag-inspire lahat yung gitero.
Buti na lang.
Pababa.
Akin true.
Okay lang yan, okay. Okay lang yung mga nag-report ng account ko. Puta,
Just
siguro
PR
wala sila
merch
na abot
drip. Oy,
ngayon.
gagi. Ba't content copyrighted music? Never mind.
PR merch
Yeah,
drip.
next one.
Ano yun? Ano yun?
Okay lang. Bahala si Editor Gun.
Oh!
What the hell is this?
This is like, this is the OG, no.
Yeah, the design.
Yeah, that's ano pa lang. Wala na, nagsara na yung ano.
Oh shit! Look at this guy. Oh god.
Oh my God!
Damn! Okay. Puta, the drip bro, the drip.
Damn!
Woo!
Approve.
Bro, bro.
Gago yung ganyan ko na hoodie na wala na. OG shit yan.
OG shit yan eh.
Ano pa yan? Galing pa yan sa huling distributor namin.
Bro, send us your contacts. We're gonna take you as a fucking model, man.
That's ano,
Teka.
that's OG.
Teka lang, merong announcement dyan sa, sa gilid. Announcement, anti-Semitic posts will be automatically filtered by our moderators. You know?
Ano nakalagay?
Anti-Semitic posts
Ano
will
yung
be
Semitic? Ano yung Semitic?
yung putangin ng
Ano
susting.
meaning?
Pero putangin na pinapanood pa rin natin.
Oh, it's Chris memes though, so...
What do you mean, Chris memes?
Yeah, ala na! Hindi na maano yun. It's Chris memes.
Squeeze beams, bro.
Yes.
Chris memes bro.
Pag nakikita nila yun, ikaw ang naiisip nila.
Damn, Chris.
Alala na influencer ko sa tao dito sa Pilipinas
Legit.
Damn, Chris.
Kahit ako,
Kung ako
ikaw naisip ko eh.
Oo, ako
Nakikita
makakita
ko
ang
yun.
ganun. Si Chris ang una kong iisipin.
Tama.
Pero biro, grabe influensya na Chris.
Meron ka ng
Oh, yeah.
grip sa utak namin, Chris. Oh, there's something.
Next one.
Greens, ano? The green eye and green skin it.
Want me to get a green eye and green screen it? That is
Ito yung
a
ano,
genius idea. I actually think I have a green eyeball, so let's go get it. We have made it to my collection of eyeballs, and here is my green eye.
Putangin na mo!
Putting in and see what it looks like. I don't know how to do a green screen, so somebody please green screen my eyeball and put something crazy on it.
Ambasin!
Putangin na mo.
Ano ba yung pangalan niya? Si Ambatukam, gago.
Ang batok.
John Lloyd.
Lloyd Gamboa.
Putangin na
Si
mo.
John Lloyd Gamboa.
Tangina,
Puta
yun.
na John Lloyd Gamboa to.
Loko all the time.
Next
Ano
one.
meron dyan?
Yeah, all the time.
Loko all the time. What is this? Ay, yung ano niya, mga fishing gear niya.
Finger niya.
Isa lang nahuli! Oh my God! Minsan nga wala nahuli si Gian, ha? Tapos minsan pag-uwi niya, minsan tiyataro siya.
Minsan, wala siyang nahuli.
Ah, sama, alam-
Overnight siya magagawa ng bait and all that shit. Tapos pag uwi niya, wala siyang
Tama,
huli.
may kita mo sa tsura niya na kung wala siyang huli, oh.
Tapos pag may
Sobrang low
huli
energy.
siya, mga
Lalagay
2
sa rep.
months. Sa rep lang.
Sa rep lang.
Ito, pustahan kasi kung napanood niyo yung ano ni Gloco, yung meme na isda, tapos binato namin siya sa mukha. Tayo na, ang tagal namin natapos yun. Daming beses namin siya nabato sa mukha. Yung isda na yun, yung bangus na yun, legit mag-i-stay yun sa ref for like 2 months, 3 months, 5 months, gago legit. Yung isda na yun,
Binili lang yun, nahuli.
binili niya.
Ay,
Dead,
mag-i-stay lang
dead.
ito, no?
Mag-i-stay lang.
Kahit anong isda.
Kahit ano. Paldo.
Paldo,
Paldo.
ano yung paldo? Ay, putik.
Oh,
Paldo,
shit!
ano yun?
70 million.
This is a trinil meme.
Yun ang ulit si Baldo sa basa yun.
Tangina! Huwag mong pangunahan. Tangina.
Times 7.
Tasty.
Isa pa.
Lahat Indiano
Isa
na
pa.
ba?
Isa pa.
It's a Candy Crush,
Isahin
man.
mo pa. Isa pa. Isa pa. Isa pa.
Divine.
Damn, I should gawin nga natin to sa PR. Candy Crush mo.
Candy Crush tayo. Pagalingan.
Tayo na stream ka. Guys, huwag niyo kami buta gamitin ang link namin sa baba kasi yung link is ano lang, papunta sa YouTube.
Tangin na mapunta lang sa YouTube. Pwede. Nasa actually, ayun na.
Ululan lang gago.
Ululan lang.
Damn, it's Steam, bro.
Oh shit.
No, that's Valve.
Hindi ko na nakikita to. Yun nakikita to sa ano. Kung
Wala na.
nag-open ako.
Ano yun? Left 4 Dead lang yan eh.
Next one for Chris again.
For Chris
For Chris
ulit, for
again.
Chris. Nakaka-share lang ni Riz.
Yup, Chris. We'll bring this to our fucking mind, Chris.
Tayo may rugby pa oh. Sheesh!
You have no, you cannot escape.
When I shoot this, Chris.
I cannot beat the allegations, man.
You cannot, bro.
Ang ina mo.
Kung papipiliin mo ako kung bading ako or fucking... or fucking anti-Semite, pipiliin ko bading na lang ako. Don't look at me! Okay? My reputation is on the line!
Sama tingnan na.
Next.
Next. Neuron activation. Tima. What is that shit? Oh shit.
Okay, boobs.
Japanese. Boobs.
Boobs. Okay? Boobs.
Oh.
Now it's time
Oh.
for your Japanese practice. Nihongo denshu. Nihongo
Kailangan ko to.
denshu. Okay?
Kailangan mo
Alright,
tayo.
we start
Hi.
with our katakana practice, our katakana chart. So let's go for it. The whole
Haba,
thing.
gagi.
Hi,
Ah,
so
Mio,
oh my
Keko,
fucking god. Okay, medyo na.
Tachi,
Stop it! Stop! I have to walk for this shit! Look at this, a 3-minute video. Tapos yung
3-minute video.
panimula niya, yung first 5 seconds is him showing, is her showing her boobs. Damn! By the time na nangyari yun, neuron activate yung mga tao. Like, wow, laki! They're waiting for boobs and then at the same time, natuto sila mag-Japanese.
Oh my god.
Balik ba simula? Sige nga.
Oh, wow.
Okay, boobs. Boobs.
Okay,
Boobs.
next.
Okay?
Next,
Boobs.
next.
Now it's time for your Japanese.
Next meme.
Jaeger be like, puta. Ano sana si
Yeah,
Jaeger,
bro, wala pa
Chris?
si Jaeger.
I miss Jaeger, man.
Asan na siya?
Nasaan na
Hindi
siya?
yun sa parents
Wala
niya.
namin ng picture.
Asan na? Oh,
Yeah, bro.
man, nigger, bro.
Gago yung mga aso dito na tumatambay na sa bubong.
Puta sa
Umakit
bubong
sila sa
na eh.
kotse. Nakita mo, umakit sila sa
Umakit
kotse.
sa kotse ni Doc, tapos umakit sa
Paano
bubong.
nakakaakyat?
Oo nga, kaya gabi, pag
Tinatalunan nila.
natutulog.
Tinatalunan nila yung ano, yung kotse mismo.
They're cats now, bro.
They are, bro.
They evolving, bro.
Sasagutin mo ako or didibdiban kita. Putang ina, what the fuck?
Putang ina. What the fuck?
Motherfucker, sa Roblox character. Holy shit.
Puta, parang nagkulang sa training sa... Bro, skip the leg day, bro.
Oh, next.
Or Chris, oh my god.
Or
oh,
kisa
Chris.
naman. I don't even need to squint my eyes. I don't need to squint.
That's some nice Big Mac over there. Yeah, that is some nice Big Mac of Austrian design. I like it.
Hey, yo, bro, sa Shopee.
Baba na.
Oh my God! Uy, grabe! Oo nga, inano ko yung mata
Hindi ko
ko.
alam, nakita ko na kagad.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh
Nakatago.
my god, but it's too slow, bro.
Oh my
can see it, bro.
God!
I can see
My
it right
eyes
now.
is open, bro.
man.
120%. I can see it. Logo on
Sa
Shopee.
Shopee pala eh. Sa Shopee pala sa
Shopee.
idol eh.
Wow.
Jeez, on Shopee. What the fuck? What are you doing here?
Send it to DC!
What the fuck?
Send it, man!
Di ba?
Bumili kasi siya ng...
Huli siya ng
Hindi,
something.
binili
What the
niya.
fuck?
Nagpagawa siya na nagpa-custom made siya ng ganyan.
Send it, man!
Sinend ko na. Nasa Shopee ka pala idol eh.
Shopee pala idol eh.
Putang ina balag.
Next.
Next.
Chris Merienda. Sabi ko sa'yo!
Ay, nako.
Wala na!
Do something with your
Wala
work.
na, Chris!
Wala na, Chris. You
You're done, Chris!
You
You're
cannot
done!
deny the allegations now.
I'm
It's over.
done. I'm
It's
fucking
over, bro.
done.
Stop denying it.
Stop denying it, Chris.
I'm not participating anymore. I'm done.
Yo, legit, like, we will cherish the day na may memes na ganito tapos it's for Chris pero hindi ganito yung
Is out. Yung kalakat, Chris. Is out.
Eh, look at this shit, bro. Balik mo sa taas. Ayun, siguro ako. Ayan. Pakita, balik mo sa taas. Ayun. Damn.
Nasa Shopee ka, idol.
Sabi ka pala idol eh.
Shopee pala ako eh.
Commission ka ata dyan, idol eh.
Business is booming, bro.
Business is booming talaga.
What the fuck? Chris, bro.
Ayun na, sige.
Chris, merienda mo, andito na.
Chris, merenda mo.
This is gonna
ayun,
be
ka
the
na.
last time I'm seeing this kind of shit.
Lahat na nakita namin for Chris memes. It is literally the Chris memes.
Chris memes? Not Chris memes.
Ayun lang,
Chris
lumabas siya.
Merienda, oh.
Lahat ng this is for Chris, bro. It's always like this, bro. It's always like this.
Chris, you can never escape the allegations now. Chris.
Exactly, Chris. Nulit yung sinabi ko. Yes, Chris.
Blur na lang.
It's your legacy now.
Okay, sunod.
Sunod.
I swear to God, bro. May ganun pa rin sa susunod. Putang.
The cycle of PRUD posting your pain. Posting for me. Wait for the latest video.
That is actually true.
That is actually true. This is true, bro.
It's repeat and repeat lang.
True, it's
Ah,
true,
sorry.
it's true.
That's
Oh shit.
fucking
Sila kasi.
Touching something on the screen, bro.
Sila.
What the fuck?
What is this?
Ano to?
Huling react niya ata to eh.
Nililas na ka namin.
Nakita niyo na pala yun eh.
Nakita na.
ako. Kalas.
Ha?
Pre, nakita ko yan.
Yeah.
Yeah, nakita namin!
Dahil bali na ba sa ay, what
It's
the fuck?
Rin, man.
Vanilla
Oh, no.
versus Glow Rap Battle.
金钱看齐，两场协作，心相连的三十二岁了，装个当朝，驸马郎的旗帜王啊，满皇上的会二岁了，装个当朝。Shut the fuck up，青壮 motherfucker。
Oh my God.
Ate ko nito.
Never escape allegation.
Never escape allegation.
Tsaka wala baka. Glocos leaking shenanigans reach its heights in a subliminal way, bro.
What?
What the fuck?
Damn, bro. What
Japanese rice
Goddamn.
balls rolled onigiri in a girl's arm are it's a Glocos leak.
Yan yung ano, yung green screen niya eh.
Oh my God.
Hindi siya green
Pero
screen
nice.
gago. Ginawa video tapos ginawan siya ng green screen. Tapos ginawang meme.
Lagi may mas malala dyan, okay?
There should be, bro.
Five-star
nag-upload
review?
Kasi yung Pinoy gamer kasi, I mean, it's still haven't made it out the country, bro.
If you guys have seen yung Niji Sanji,
Mm.
isang VTuber doon, nag 3D debut siya. Ginawa niya yung flavor, ginawa
Nakita ko sa Twitter yun.
green screen yun.
Yeah.
And then, yun.
What the fuck? So you
Damn.
made it there, bro.
I got fucked.
Next one.
Damn, may bago siyang isda na mamamatay dahil toxic yung tubig niya.
No, bro.
Ay!
Damn, John.
Ano pala,
Ba't ako
John?
yan?
Ito pala yung idol eh, John.
Ako pala yun eh.
Versus Gian.
Taka na eh.
Ang layo, puta.
Nonchalant yung ano eh. Like,
Ng challenge eh.
Taka Gian Industria.
Puta, change character na pala idol eh. Or Chris, alam ko na to. Alam ko na yan, alam ko na yan. Alam ko na yan, idol.
oh my God.
Click it.
Kahit last ano natin, ganito rin eh.
Uy. Kala ko video lang ng pusa or pet. Look at the music, bro.
Putang inang yan. What the?
But it's nice, nice dance, man. Nice dance.
You get the moves, bro.
You get the moves.
Ay, ay, ay.
Yo, but when in Tondo.
Yan Tondo gago, sa Quiapo yan.
Kaya po ba yan?
Quiapo yan, yan Tondo.
Anong naging kiyapo?
That is Sony taking Helldivers away from
Tondo,
Steam.
wala nang amba-amba. Direct time ka na lang. Wala lang, puta, may tumutulo na sa gilid mo.
That is Sony taking away Helldivers 2 from Steam, man.
Ito. Boom.
Oy!
Holy shit.
Eh, yo, sino
Si Chris.
Sino yung pinaka-right? Puta na, Chris, talaga.
Never escaped allegation, bro.
You will never
Damn,
escape,
you're
bro.
an old man, bro. Look at that, bro. Sheesh, may tungkod ka
Yeah,
na.
bro, may tungkod na siya. Ang ganda ng fan art.
NTR character pa.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, shit!
He looks like, ano, a character sa Lookism or
Para
something.
RTR.
Looks kasi yun. Oh my God.
For Chris naman.
React
Oh my.
09.
Ito
Sige,
na
sige.
last natin.
Will it finally be different? You know, sige.
Kaya
Yes.
finally.
Tingnan natin.
Will it be a different
Tapos
meme
na
for
ba?
Chris?
Yun pa lang eh.
Yung pa lang, alam ko na idol eh.
lang eh.
Alam ko na idol eh. Alam mo na idol.
He will never beat allegations, bro. Pabalik pa yan.
It's a bird! It's a plane! No, it's a Third Reich!
Mutik na yan.
What the fuck?
Man, it's
Pabi na yan, Chris.
Grabe ka na, Chris.
Pabi na talaga yan, Chris.
Grabe na, Chris.
Feeling ko pag gumawa ng Reddit si Chris o group.
Ito na yung mga grupo.
Very full of this shit.
Taka na pag gumawa ko na sa Reddit para sa akin, taka na, I'm gonna reform the Fourth Reich, man.
Chris Reich 09, bro.
Damn, Chris Reich 09 ka pala eh.
Chris, Itbula guys, goated. Ano yan?
No! No! No!
Yes! Yes! No! 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 What I mean, no!
No, 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 no.
I actually never seen this video.
He's dark, bro.
Oh my God, no man.
No, that's
cut.
That's dark as
Editor
fuck.
cut,
No,
man.
cut.
No, keep it editor. It's fun.
No.
No.
Tara, kitang-kita
Feeling ko may
ko
ganitong
na eh.
mug si Gloco, feeling ko lang naman.
Fuck you kayo lahat.
I might as well have.
Wala siya, okay.
Wala.
Wala siya.
Wala siya.
Wala.
Oh my god!
Oh my God! Cristo! Oh my God, Chris!
A girl
Oh,
called
baka
for
kailangan
help.
na natin
The
i-post.
emergency rescue team arrived immediately at the scene. The problem is they solved the problem and they... It took 3 guys to...
Agina.
Damn, Chris, it only took 2 guys for you, man.
Gago 3 yun, tinapakan ba niya?
Chris, it's a universal problem, Chris. You're not alone anymore.
You're not alone.
Kung i-post yun na kaya yung putang inang video na yun, di ba?
Ito. Ano pa ito eh.
Yung ano. Okay.
Yung mukha ng isip. Hey!
Nice.
Why are you laughing, Neil?
Ha?
Party Animals SS. Damn, what the fuck? Say the words yan. Say the words. Okay.
Busog na naman mga itay!
Asan na daw? 10 days ago. Well,
Sige, patikin nga. Ano meron yun? Nasa lang sabaw, putang ina.
Bakit kayo lahat may sabaw? Nasa ng sabaw!
ganun lang sa
Sabaw!
I can never take it out of my head. Yun yung ano ko eh. Yun yung pag may nagpa-follow sa stream ko eh. Nasa ng sabaw!
Malapit na.
Nilya.
Tuesday. Monday kasi kakapit na aircon ko.
Di yata pares ang puta.
Di pinanood
Overcooked.
ko to eh.
Lupit nga. No?
Ganda ng
Kwek.
pagkakagaya sa photo.
Di yata pares.
Di yata overcook.
Pagbukas niya, yung laman, iba yung isda, mga ano.
Ay na, love this guy. Natatawa ako sa skit niya.
Sobrang talino.
I fucking
Sobrang
love
ano
this
niya.
guy.
Malupiton.
Grabe.
Malapitan.
Ay, so.
Natatawa ako sa skit niya.
Ano to?
Kuya
Kuya
John.
John, we're dead. What do you mean we're dead?
Ano yan? Ah,
Okay.
shit.
We're dead. Nangyari pala yun. We're dead. Boom.
Okay, ito na ang last. Ito na ang last.
Teka lang,
May
si,
ganun pala.
ano yan? That's the Austrian painter again. Holy shit.
Kaping mainit. Sana si Kaping mainit. Okay.
Kaping, ay, ganun
Puta na
pala.
yung picture niya.
Filipinos in here! I've heard of those! Wait, what? No, those are not it! What? They lied to me. Where the... here are the Filipinos!
What the fuck?
What? What the fuck ano yan? I've never seen that shit.
Oh shit, Philippines mentioned.
Hey!
Oh shit.
Hey!
Oh my God.
Philippine mention na pala idol eh.
Ay, ito na. Last na to, pare ko.
Ito na naman
It's
yung
chess
ano
again,
eh.
man. It's chess again.
Yeah,
Yes.
We've
Let's
seen
go.
this.
Basta tayo nagsimula, doon tayo mag-end.
The fucking Rook Ike Knight.
Ang inang edit. What the hell? Oh, wow. Okay. Ayos pala yung dulo.
Damn, Chris, kung gagawa ka ng clan, alam mo yung logo. Dark.
Tangina. Yaban idea no.
Ay, GG's.
GG's.
Ay, so salamat na yan. Goodbye.
Hey!
Salamat
Teka lang,
sa
ano
mga
yun?
guys.
Teka lang, ano yun? Baba!
Ano yun?
Baba!
Baba.
Baba!
Ano to?
Please.
Chris. Oh, yan. Oh, shit. Iba na ata to. Oh, shit. Iba nga.
Finally! Iba na ba?
Oh my God.
We're fucking done.
Maraming salamat sa panonood. Kita kayo sa susunod na PR.
Fucking hell, Chris. What the fuck?
Subscribe! Unahan natin sa subscriber ang PR Tales at PR Podcast. Naglalaban-laban na kami.
Naglalaban-laban
Mag-post na
kami,
kayo. Repost nyo ulit yung hindi namin nakita. Pasensya na.
Pasensya na.
I love you all. Kita
Thank you guys for watching. Kita kits in the next episode. Tara ba?
Bye-bye.
Bye.